Hi, welcome to mathematics question, and the question is a bag contains 5 red balls, 7 blue balls and 8 green balls. If one of the ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that the ball is drawn either red or blue? Options are 3 by 5, 5 by 8, 7 by 10 and 3 by 4. Pause the video, try this question, then we'll look at the solution. Hope you got the right answer. Let's look at the solution. The bag contains 5 red balls, 7 blue balls and 8 green balls. So the question asks for either red or blue. So how many are red? Red are 5. So we'll write red are 5 plus and 7 blue balls. They equals to 12. And what is the total number of balls here? They are 5, 7 and 12. That gives us 20. So according to the probability formula, it says that total favorable outcomes, that is total favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, possible outcomes. So total outcomes, that is here is 12 by 20. 12 by 20, you solve it, it gives you 3 by 5. This is the right answer. Also you could do the other way, like you calculate the probability and then one is for the whole probability is equal to 1, calculate for B is by 20. So if you calculate it, then you will get either red. So you will get the right answer again, like the 3 by 5 will be the final answer in this case also. Probability is very interesting topic, and you could solve these questions either way, like however you understand it. There's no particular formula to solve them. You just come to solution with your thinking and practicing a lot of questions. You can give me a list of your questions related to probability in the comment section or direct message. I'll collect them and create a long video with all the solutions in one video so that you can learn them properly. Thank you so much.